For cleaning the product, power of the water purifier and turn off the water line. Always do cleaning from outside only and do not try to open the product. Never spray water directly on the product. Do not use any water, detergent, liquid cleaners, etc. to clean the product. Doing so create a risk of scratches and cracks on the product. For cleaning, take one soft dry clean cloth and gently clean the product like this from all sides. This is how we can clean our LG water purifier at home.